How to draw a t-shirt. We're going to start off by drawing the left side of the t-shirt. To do this, we will draw a line, but we're going to make it a little bit curved so that our t-shirt doesn't look so stiff. Then we're going to draw the right side of the t-shirt the same way. Great start, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw a line connecting the two sides of the t-shirt at the bottom. Looking good. Now we're going to go towards the top of the t-shirt in the middle, and we're going to draw a small line. This will be the back part of the neck. Then connecting to that line on the right, we're going to draw the right shoulder and sleeve of the t-shirt. Next, to finish the sleeve, we're going to draw a diagonal line going towards the t-shirt, but before we get to the line that we drew for the right side, we're going to draw a diagonal line going upwards. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw the left sleeve the same way that we drew the right one. Awesome job! Now we're going to go back to where the neck is, and we're going to draw two U-like shapes. This will be for the color of our shirt. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome. If you want us to see, then share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Stick around if you want to see ours colored in. Also, if this video helped you, give it a big like below. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.